Today we're going to look at an under-counter fridge Larder from Bush, which is on sale at Argos. Comes in a massive box. Energy efficiency on it is A+, and it's 117 kilowatt hours annually, 39 decibels sound from the motor, and the fridge holds 130 litres. So it's about 29.2 kilograms according to this. That's probably with all the packaging, so it probably weighs less when it's taken out. Products made in China for import by Argos Limited. So let's open it up. Sorry about the bad lighting, but I don't have my camera light with us at the minute. So we're just going off outside lighting at the minute, which is like starting to go down. Guess I don't need to remove that because I self-taped it down. Well, let's hope this actually works because I've like destroyed all the pattern. I'm going to cut this open down the side because there's no way I'm getting into that. Or taking it up from the top. I'm going to film the passageway. So basically this is a Bush under-counter Larder. You can see the circuit diagram. 240 volts, 50 hertz, 2-watt lamp. risk of fire. Well, I hope not. So the plugs here, that's inside. I don't know what that is. Do I take that off? Better read the instructions book. And here the fridge is. Obviously you got the light and the temperature control. Customer service badge underneath it. Tray 1. Tray 2. And obviously tray for like drinks and things. But it's not exactly great. Cheapo plastic. Comes with an egg thing, but you don't put eggs in your fridge in this country because they're not washed, like in other countries where they have them washed and sterilised. So they've got the crisper tray at the bottom, and at the back you might see a little hole where the water drains out. There's a little board at the back which is on top of the motor for some reason, which seems a weird place, especially if it overfills. It's going to drip down on to the motor. And you get that piece of plastic off the light. There's a set button here. So basically that's the Argos under Larder Fridge. Check back for more videos, and if anything happens to this fridge I will also update this video with anything new that happens. But so far everything seems to be working as it should.